Hello, hello. Paula Juleson coming at you from my home. I just thought we'd go through a little tutorial video, I guess, of our Desert Mist Diffuser. And you're going to get that in a premium starter kit, all decorated for Halloween, as you can see. Got all kinds of stuff going on here. Got Spooky Witch. But yeah, we have free shipping for all our new members on any kit that they buy, starter kit that they buy. We have a basic starter kit. If you just want to start out small, $35. $35, you're a member. You only have to spend an additional $50 the next 365 days. And you get everything wholesale price versus resale price off of Young Living website. The premium starter kit is going to come with 12 bottles of essential oils. And it's going to come with the Desert Mist Diffuser. That's one of our choices. Excuse the dog. The snow is falling off my steel roof and landing on my deck, and he thinks there's somebody at the door. Yeah. Here's winter, once again, me dealing with this. So I'm just going to show you our Desert Mist Diffuser. Now, I diffuse quite a bit. So I repurpose, and I use this. I manage a bar, and our little Patron bottles are perfect to keep water near your diffuser. All right, so you're going to take the top off your diffuser, and on the inside there's a line. You're just going to fill water. Now you can use distilled water. I just use regular tap water. But I do suggest when you're diluting your oils, like if you're mixing up sprays, use distilled water. Okay, so you got the water in there. And then I'm going to add a little gratitude. Now we have single oils, and we have blends of different oils. This is a blend. And it's called gratitude because different oils that are in it kind of give you that warm, cozy feeling of gratitude. Gratitude has Canada balsam needle oil, frankincense, myrrh, bergamot, ylang-ylang, and coriander in it. So it's got all kinds of feel-good oils in gratitude. And that's the great thing about being a member. Once you get your kit, you can go on our website and you can sign up for essential rewards if you'd like to choose to do so. And products sent directly to you every month and gain points. And those points can be used towards other purchases. And I'm just going to put about 4 or 5 drops in there. And then I'm going to reassemble. And this has got kind of a Moroccan kind of style to it. And there's 3 different modes. So you're going to turn it on. The first click is going to be the high speed mode. And that lasts to 6 to 8 hours. Probably, no, 4 to 6 hours, pretty sure. And then you click it again, and that's kind of your medium mode. And this is going to last up to 8 hours. And then if you click it again, you're going to get little spurts every so many seconds. And that's going to last up to 10 hours. So that'd be good to have like at night by your bedstand with some lavender in it. Help you sleep. And then the other button are the different light settings. So I'm just showing you. There's the candle one. I love that one. It's so cozy at night. And then you got red. See how cool it is? And you can't really tell because it's daytime. But I am absolutely in love with this diffuser. Or you can diffuse without a light. But I love the lit candle one. It's so cozy. And you're not getting all those harsh chemical toxins from a lot of the candles that you buy in the store. So yeah, that is our Desert Mist Diffuser that comes with our premium starter kit. You're going to get 12 bottles of essential oils, and you're going to get 4 different samples of other products that we carry. It's a good deal. It's $165, free shipping. And if you don't want the diffuser and all those oils right away, you just want to start out small, thick kit, which is only $35, no shipping. So I'm going to link my website so that all you have to do is click on my website and scroll down to enroll. It takes less than 10 minutes. Less than 10 minutes. All right, there you have it. Oh, it smells so good. I wish you could smell this. Seriously, is the best thing I have ever done. Okay, I'm going to let you go. Happy Tuesday. And enjoy the beautiful snow we have on the ground, because this time of year it's pretty because it usually melts when the sun comes out. But enjoy. Okay, bye.